If you manage multiple Google Ads accounts for clients or yourself, the settings I'm about to show you will save you a lot of time and will improve the qualities of traffic you get from your advertisement. So right now, I'm going to go straight to one of my Google Ads accounts. Now I want to show you what the setting is all about. So if you are running advert on Google, you probably know that it is possible for you to block some keywords from serving your advert. For example, you don't want people who are looking for free offers to be able to see your advert and waste your budget. So in that case, you might want to add free as a negative keyword in your advert. And one of the ways you can do that is by going straight to the campaign, then selecting the keyword, then going straight to the negative keyword section, then add the negative keyword in that particular campaign. That is one of the way you can block some keywords from serving your advert. But in the situation where you have so many campaigns in your account, it might be quite challenging for you to be adding negative keyword to each of the campaign all the time. And that is one of the reasons why Google make it possible for you to add negative keyword list in your account. So if you want to use the negative keyword list, what you need to do is to go straight to the tools and settings from the top menu here, then go straight to the negative keyword list. So when you click on the negative keyword list, you will be able to create negative keyword list and add all the negative keyword in that particular list and give it a name so you can start applying the list to your campaign. Now, if you have a lot of campaign in your account, probably you have a campaign for digital product, you have for physical product, you might want to have separate negative keyword list for each of the campaigns so that you can be able to apply the list to the appropriate campaign to prevent you from blocking relevant keywords from some of your campaigns. So if I go ahead and select this negative keyword list, I will be able to apply that particular list to any specific campaign I have in this account. But that is not the exact thing I want to show you in this video. Now, the main setting I want to show you in this video is what I will demonstrate to you right now. In a situation whereby you create a negative keyword list, you might forget to apply that list to your campaign if you manage a lot of accounts. And that is why Google provide another setting that make it very easy for you to configure the negative keyword list once and for all. And in order for you to be able to do that, what you have to do is go straight to the setting in your account. Right now, this is the setting that I'm going to go to account setting. So from the account setting, I will see some settings available here and I will be able to block keywords I don't want people to be able to use to find my advert. So you can see negative keywords. So I click on that. I don't have any for this account. Then I can click on this blue plus button and start adding negative keyword to this account. Training. If that is one of the keywords you don't want people to use to find your ad, you can add it. But let's leave it as free, or maybe do it yourself. Do it, you can add it as a phrase match. Do it yourself. I can add which other thing? Maybe a download. Just go ahead and add as many as possible negative keyword here, and when you do that, Google will be able to prevent anyone searching for this keyword from seeing your advert. So with this, you don't have to be adding the negative keywords to each of the campaign you create in this account. So in many cases, you will not be remembering to add negative keywords to some of the campaign, but if you've already done these settings, your ad will always run without targeting people who are searching for any of the keywords that you have been able to add to your negative keywords at the account settings level. So this is one of the best settings you want to set up in your Google Ads account so that it can help you to block some irrelevant keyword from serving your advert and also improve the quality of traffic you get to your landing page. I hope you learned something in this video. If you have any question about it, feel free to ask in the comment section and I will do everything possible to address the question. Once again, thanks for watching and bye for now.